Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week we'll be reviewing a course by Black, also known as Cuebanks. If you click the link in his description on Instagram and the Wall Street Academy membership, you'll see that this course is $750. For you guys that watch these videos, it will be for free in the Young AMO video description. All you need to do is click one of the two links. We'll start off with the first link. This link takes you to the main course, and the second link will take you to the complete phase 4. Starting off with the introduction, this has a PDF in it, and this PDF just details what the basics of Forex is and different sessions that you can trade in, the different types of analysis that you can do, and so on. Moving on to folder number 2, this folder contains a lot of installation videos and how to use videos, specifically for MetaTrader 4 and TradingView. These videos are to be watched by beginners who have never really interacted with the MetaTrader 4 platform or the TradingView platform. If you have already engaged with these two platforms, and then these videos aren't really for you. A good video for everyone to watch is the risk management video, since no matter the level of your trading, if you haven't gone over your risk management profile or what you would like as a risk to reward ratio, then this video is what you should be watching. It will definitely enhance your trading. Moving on to video number 3. This video is also for beginners and people that have been in the market for a little bit, since it does cover what feelings you might be having as you begin to trade. These videos are good for everyone to watch, and I would only really recommend it to those who have been struggling with their mentality when they trade. Since the psychology you go into trading with is very important, these videos also have a lot of value to them. Moving on to phase 1, the first 3 folders over here contain videos that would be watched before you actually started trading, and phase 1 is the first set of videos that you will have to watch when you start trading. Moving on to phase 1, these sets of videos are more geared towards beginners, since they cover the basics of trading, which is identifying which trend you are in, your support and resistance lines, and your supply and demand zones. Also how to draw your trend lines. It doesn't give you much of a strategy, it just gives you the outline of how you use these different tools to add to your trading strategy. In phase 2, we have the Fibonacci video. This video is good for those who are trying to use the Fibonacci tool, and it will offer some value to you. The second video and the third video are basically the same video, so you can watch either, you don't need to watch both. Both videos offer you a insight as to how to draw your market structures and how to use price action in order to trade. It does give you the basic overview of what a trending market is and what a ranging market is. Just a side note, the videos from 1 to 5 are short videos, so they don't really go over the 10-minute mark. But as soon as you go into folder number 6, phase 3, these videos are quite long, all of them above 20 minutes in length. So a tip for when you watch these videos, you can speed the video speed up, because they do speak quite slowly. So to get through it faster, speed the video up to at least 1.5 times the regular speed, and then you will be able to watch the video at a faster pace. If you do watch these videos, the main videos from the Confluence trading that I would recommend watching are 1 and 7, because 2 and 3 have the same content as 1 and 7, so you shouldn't be watching all 4 confluence trading videos, only 1 and 7. The average directional average video just shows you how he uses the average directional indicator in order to tell him what trend he is in, if he's in an uptrend, downtrend, or ranging market. If you do struggle to see the trends, this video would be helpful to you. You do not need to watch the mid-training critique video, and you would need to watch the process video, since this shows how he has taken a actual trade and how he goes about managing that trade as time passes. This is a very good video for those who haven't started trading, so they still need to figure out what they would be doing as time progresses after opening the trade. As you can see, we've gone all the way through until phase 4 now. Phase 4 doesn't contain all the folders that you need to watch. It just has one video in it. So what you are going to need to do is go back into the Young Amo video and then click the second link. The second link will have all the videos that you need. Of these videos, I would recommend that you watch all of them, since each one of them will be able to offer you a different viewpoint of how someone uses multiple indicators in order to make their trades. So each of these videos do have value to different sorts of traders. So if you're not sure as to what type of trader you are, watching all of these videos might give you a hint as to which one seems like it would work in your strategy or the way you would like to trade. The Ichimoku cloud that is explained in this video is one of the best that I've seen, since a lot of the time newer traders don't understand what the cloud is used for, and even I got a better understanding after watching this video on the cloud. The pivot points video is specifically for those who have access to TradingView, since the indicator that is used is from TradingView. If you are only going to be using MetaTrader 4, you will not be able to use the pivot points. If you are someone who likes to use channels to make trades, the last video is one that does help you in seeing where you should be placing your channels. He goes over using a uptrend channel, a downtrend channel, and a ranging channel in order to find where you would be placing your trades. These videos are relatively short, so they shouldn't take much time to get through. You can also speed up these videos since the guy does speak a bit slowly. If you go back to the main course that has been shared, now we'll be moving on to the major market patterns PDF, and in this PDF they do give the patterns that are mostly used by traders, like the head and shoulders pattern and the double top or double bottom patterns. If you do know about these patterns already, you do not need to go through this PDF, but if you haven't tried using market patterns in order to trade, this PDF will help you see which ones are viable and where you would be entering your trades when you are using these patterns. So now that we are on folder number 9, folder number 9 contains all the webinars that he has added to the course, and all of these videos are about 30 minutes in length. Since there are quite a few of them, I don't recommend watching all of them. Just watching 1 or 2 of them would be enough, since the trading style that he has used is the same throughout all of them. You can watch all of them if you'd like to, but that's going to take a lot of time. And since all of these videos are basically the same, like the principles that are being used, you would only really need to watch it for consolidation on your knowledge and not to actually learn anything new. Folders 10 and trading do not have anything in there, so please ignore those 2 files. If I was to give this course a rating out of 10, it would be a 7 out of 10, because it's not as good as the Astro FX video when it comes to explaining things in terms that beginners would understand, but it has a lot of value towards those who have been trading for a while already. The videos that are in this course are a bit long at times and a bit repetitive, so the whole course wouldn't give you value. It's only a certain few videos out of each folder that would give you value. That's why we're giving it a 7 out of 10. It could have been managed a lot better and shortened down quite a bit. But all in all, it's still a good course to go over, whether you're a beginner or you have already been trading. That will be the end of the video. Remember that this course is available for free in the Young Aimer video in the description. The first link will take you to the main course, and then the second link will take you to the folder that doesn't have everything in it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.